I wanted to say that there are a number of issues you've put down there, right? Everybody ready? But when we talk of concepts, when we talk of why, we want to reduce it to one idea, one concept. I'm going to give each table a chance. I just want one sentence or one term. Okay? I want them to tell me the one thing that is important in terms of having an idea of how to be a good customer. Very good. So, very good summaries. All of it really makes sense. But I'm going to suggest another way to think about it. And this is important for people to pay attention. If you look over there, you will see that there are two alternatives that customer is considering. So, in one case, she wants to use this washing alternative. In the other case, she wants to use this washing alternative. And in each case, it costs her different amounts. Which one is right?
It depends.
Yeah.
So the reason I applauded is because by saying it depends, what you're saying is the only person who can determine the value is you. I cannot tell you what to buy. You have to figure out for yourself why to buy. Each alternative is about what am I giving, what am I getting back. In this case, I'm giving less money, but I have to put more effort. And maybe the soap harms my hands and so on. In this case, I give more money, but I use energy, I use power, but it's more convenient as well. That is the fundamental value. It's what we call value. What are you giving? What are you getting? And what you need to remember is you are giving more than money. What else are you giving that's more than money? You are giving time and you're giving effort. Are you giving energy? So you're giving more than money. So when you look and say, I buy the cheapest, you can't travel 60 miles to buy the cheapest, right? So you have to think about all the things that you're giving. So time, effort, money, and so on. And what are you getting? So you're getting the product, right? You're getting the benefits from the product. What else are you getting? Anything else other than benefits from the product? You get lots of different attributes of the product that make it good for you. So you get a number of benefits, convenience, comfort, and so on. But all that is related to the product. Other than the product, are you getting anything else? So not only do you get the product, you also get a relationship with whoever is selling it, and then you get some reflection from that. So for example, you may buy at a particular store where you know the prices are low. So you're also building a relationship with the brand, the store, and so on. That is also something you're getting. Another thing that's been left out, you also can get a warranty, a guarantee. That is also something you get. So this is the way to think about it. So if I want to leave you with one concept in being a better customer, you're absolutely right. You must be more informed. You must do research. All of those things are right. But why are you doing all that? Because you are exchanging. You're engaged in an exchange. And in that exchange, you're giving some things and you're getting something. When you have very little money, you may think you're only giving money, but you're also giving effort, you're also giving time. And if you think a little bit more deeply, you will say, okay, I need to buy the big bottle instead of the two small bottles. We cannot tell you whether you should buy the big bottle or the small bottles. Only you can decide. It depends. But similarly, I think it's important to think deeply and realize, well, I may be getting something cheaper today, but I'm spending a lot of effort. So can I reduce my effort? And even if I pay a little bit more. So that's something to think about. Now, this idea of value, what do you give, what do you get, is actually involved in so many different areas as well. For example, when you decide where to shop, you're going to think about, well, this is nearby, this is convenient, but the prices are higher, or should I go 5 miles away where the prices are lower and buy in bulk? So that is also a decision about value, where to shop. How you spend your time. I mean, when you took a break, should I read a newspaper? Should I go to the restroom? Should I have some snack? Should I talk to people? We constantly make these decisions where we are giving something and we are getting something. So that is the one big thing I want you to leave you with today based on the exercises, which is value. What are you giving up? What are you getting? Any questions about what you did today and this idea of value as a concept? So is the product good for you? Like some of the things that were written, do you really need it? Is it healthy? All of those things are part of value. So we are hoping that we can continue this tomorrow as well.